You're here for a cranial nerve exam? Just gotta quickly find your appointment here. We're gonna start with some sound tests, okay? Just follow that light wherever it goes here. Good. We've got 5 different scents here. Yes, just like that, just like so. Okay, good. Yes, very good. Very good. I have 5 of these. Hello, how are you today? Good, I'm glad to hear. You're here for a cranial nerve exam? Perfect, I just want to get some of my details down here real quick, okay, on my chart. Just gotta quickly find your appointment here. Bear with me for a moment here. Bear with me for a moment here. There we go. There we are. So I've got you here today, and just confirm your name for me, real quick for me. Okay. Perfect. And just quickly your date of birth. Just your date of birth. Okay. Perfect. Okay. And we can get on with the rest of the tests here, okay? So this will just be your basic cranial nerve exam test today, okay? Just doing a yearly checkup. Perfect. It's always good to do those kinds of things, so good on you for that. And I think we're going to start with some sound tests, okay? So I'm going to be tapping on the top of a bottle cap, just on each side of your ear, okay? Just on each side of your ear. And then I would like you to tell me when that sound stops, okay? When that sound just completely stops, you let me know. Does that sound easy to you? Perfect, I'm glad. Let's get started with this. Okay. First, I'm going to start on just the one side here, okay? Perfect. And just let me know when that stops. Good. And just on the other side here now. Good. Okay. And just again on this side here, okay? Good, good. That one was a bit of a long one there. And just on this side once again, okay? Excellent. That one tried to trick you there a little bit. So everything, you seem to be able to tell when those sounds stopped immediately? Okay. So I don't think we have any issues with your hearing, so I think we'll get moving on just to the next one, and we're going to use that light stick. All right, we've got my handy dandy light pen here. Okay. And we're going to be doing a few tests just to see where your vision's at for your cranial nerves, okay? Great, great. Let's get started. We're first just going to have you, I'm just going to have you follow the light, okay? As it goes around, just follow it with your eyes, okay? Tell me if you have any issues whatsoever, okay? All right, let's get started. Just follow that light wherever it goes here. Good, good. You might hear a slight, almost like humming, to soothe you along with this light journey, along with this light test. So just allow it to wave over you with relaxation and follow the light. Good, good, good. Yes, very good. relax to that humming sound, okay? Perfect, perfect. Excellent. Good. Keep following the light. Keep following it, okay? I'm just going to have a look the sides of your eyes while you follow the light here, okay? Good, good. Very good. Very good. Okay. And now we're going to have my finger up as well. And I want you to focus on the top of my finger here and ignore the light, okay? This will allow me to see around your eyes and see if your eyes are responding properly while you are trying to focus on another object while light is passing by, okay? So I'm going to keep my finger in one spot, and I just want you to stay focused on it. Don't get distracted by the light here, okay? Don't get distracted. Keep your eyes and attention on the top of my finger. Good, good. That's looking perfect. Excellent, yes. Very good. Keep your focus on the top of that finger there, okay? Yes, excellent. That's exactly what we're looking for. Keep focused on that fingertip. Now the finger will begin to move slightly, so I'd like you to keep up with it and keep your eye just on the fingertip, okay? Here we go. Good, good. Excellent, yes. Yes, don't get distracted by the light. Don't get distracted by the light at all, okay? Don't get distracted. Don't get distracted. Good. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Excellent. Good, 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 good. Keep your eye on the tip of my finger here, okay? Perfect. Excellent. Now I would like you to switch up and focus just on the light, okay? Just on the light. And don't get distracted by the waving finger, even if it gets in your way. Do your best to stay focused on the light, okay? And here we go. Good. Don't let it distract you. Good. Allow that humming sound to soothe you over as you stay focused on the light. Good, good. Even during the challenging parts, good. I need you to stay focused on that light because it looks like your eyes are doing very well for this cranial nerve test here. Good, good. Stay focused, yes. Excellent. Good, good. Yes, don't allow it. Don't allow it to distract you from following that light. Good, yes. Yes, excellent. Good job, good job. Very, very well done. Very, very well. Alright, good. Everything looks great with there. We're just going to do one last little test to involve your eyes, okay? I'm going to hold up a number between 1 and 5 on my fingers here, okay? And I would just like you to repeat the numbers that you see, okay? So we're going to start right here. Good. Yes. Very good, yes. Good, yes. Good. Good, good, good. Yes, very good. Excellent. Okay. Yep, just let that waves, the wave sound just flood over you as you tell me how many numbers I am holding up on my fingers. Good, good. Very good. Very good. Everything is looking fantastic. With your eyesight, you did wonderful on the light test and the following of the finger, as well as how many fingers am I holding up. So we are going to get moving on to the next one, which will be the scent. I'm going to have you smell some certain cards, and then you're going to tell me which scents they are, okay? So I've got three different scents here, okay? We've got 5 different scents here. My mistake. We've got 5 different scents here. And we're going to be using this brush right here. This brush right here, because they require a really good scratching first, okay? A really good scratching before they are able to be smelled. So we're going to be using this brush here, and we're going to be scratching each one. And I'd just like you to tell me what the scent is, or what you think the scent is, okay? And we'll get started with this first one here. give this a sniff for me. Very good. And what does that smell like to you? Yes, you are correct. But can you get the second one? Let's find out. And with our scratching here, this one smells like. Oh, I hate to say it, but you were very close. So close. But I'm sure you'll be able to get the third one here, okay? So let's again begin with our brushing here with our very nice brush. All right, let's get this scratched. What does this smell like? Yeah, absolutely. Take a couple seconds with it. Yes, you got that one right. Good job. Let's see how you do on the fourth one. Okay? We are going to get you at least 4 out of 5 on this. I can feel it. Let's begin. Yes, that is correct. We've almost got you that 4 out of 5. We are down to the very last one, okay? The very last sniff and scratch here, okay? We are going to use our brush, and we are going to get you that 4 out of 5. Okay, let's get started on the last one. And give this last one a sniff here. Absolutely, take your time. And what's that last scent? Yes, you got that. You got that correct. We've got you 4 out of 5 for the scent. And I'll tell you, that is very fantastic. Great job. We are going to get moving on to the second last test we have for you today for your cranial nerve exam, okay? Excellent. Let's get started. Okay, so for this one, we're going to be examining the nerves on your face, okay? As well as I'm just going to be poking you on the shoulder, the neck as well, and just a bit on the chest, just to make sure that you are having and feeling those sensations of the pokes, okay? Yes, just like that, just like so. Are you ready? Perfect. Let's get started. Just tell me if you feel these. Okay, good, good. Yes, very, very, very good. Very good. Good. Okay. Good. And you're feeling those poking sensations? Okay, good. I'm just going to go just on each of the sides of the cheeks here now, okay? Perfect. And now just on your chin here. You feel those? Okay, good. just down to your neckline here. You feel that okay? Okay, good. Very, very good. Just on the other side here now. Good. And now just on your chest and shoulders. You do feel those? Okay, good. Good, good. You feel all these little pokes here? Good, good. Good, very good. So everything seems to be great with those nerves as well. You can feel all those little pokes that I have done. Okay, perfect. So that will leave us with just the very last test here. And this one will be testing your taste buds, okay? Your sense of taste. So let's get started with that. So I have 5 of these. Okay, 5 of these testers, and each one I'm just going to be spraying on your tongue like so. Okay? Yes, they are all pleasant flavors. Perfect, okay. And they all do need a good shake just to get the flavors going. And so that every spray will have that flavor in it, okay? Perfect, I'm glad to hear. Little water tornado in there, just to get the flavors exactly where they need to be. And if you'll just stick your tongue out for me, this is the first flavor you'll be tasting. Perfect. And can you tell me what that tastes like? Yes, very good, very good. That is correct. So we'll be moving on to the next one, okay? And keep in mind, a lot of the flavors are kind of in the same wheelhouse, okay? Just to give you a little hint. Okay. And here we have the next one. ready for the second one? Good, good. And I'll just have you stick out your tongue for me. Perfect. And can you tell me what that tastes like? Good, yes, that is correct. That is correct. You see what I mean by that hint I gave you? Yes, that's perfect. So let's move on to the next one. And we've got taste number 3 right here, okay? Make sure we give it that proper shake. I think this one is ready for tasting. Are you ready? Okay. I am glad to hear. And if I can just get you to stick out your tongue for me. Perfect. And can you tell me what that tastes like? Yes, that is correct. You've got that one correct. Well, you've gotten all of them correct. So you are 3 out of 5 at the moment. 3 out of 5. And that is perfect. I have no doubt in my mind you won't get the last 2. And let's get that last 4th flavor here. And we will give this 4th one a good shake. Perfect. I think this one is ready. And I'm just going to have you stick out your tongue. Good, good. And here we are. And can you tell me what that taste is? That is correct. You are currently 4 out of 5. You are on the way to getting perfect on the taste testing, okay? Almost perfect. So we will move on to the 5th and final flavor taste, okay? Okay. And this is the last one here. Last one just right here. We are going to give it, as you know, one final good shake. There we are. Are you ready for the final flavor tasting? Good. All right, and for the last time, I'll have you stick out your tongue. Good. And here we go. And tell me, what is that last flavor? Yes, that is correct. You have gotten all 5 flavors correct for the cranial nerve exam, and that is mighty impressive, as well as doing excellent on all the other tests. So I'm just going to put this last flavor over here and go over the results with you. And it's looking like all your results are perfect for each cranial nerve exam. For your yearly checkup, you have nothing to worry about at all. Absolutely. If you ever feel that there's anything that comes up that you're unsure of, please come see Dr. Relaxa, and I will make sure that everything is perfect for you, okay? Excellent. Now, is there anything else that you wanted to take care of while you were here today? Excellent. And I will be seeing you next time, okay? Perfect. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day or evening.